Hey guys, welcome. This video is a much awaited requested video based on how to highlight your hair. So basically you can see I have a lot of grays and my hair color has also shifted quite a lot, so I really need to hair color. So basically I'll be showing you how to highlight your hair as well as I'll be doing global hair coloring. So for highlighting, I'm basically using this Barina's Fits Natural Professional Hair Color. This is basically a Thailand based hair color. I'm trying it for the first time, so it will be a review kind of video as well. So let's get started. Basically you can see I have used the cream as well as developer. In this it is required to mix equal quantity of both and apply it in a desired way and leave it for 30 minutes and rinse off. So I'm just mixing it properly so that our cream is ready. You need to first select which part of the hair you want to color or highlight, then using a tail comb. If you don't have a tail comb, then please use the back of your brush. So I think I'll begin with from the middle. I am very reluctant what kind of color it will show, that's why. So I have chosen this portion to color. When you have selected your hair, you need such kind of aluminium foils, rectangular in shape, approximately 8 by 10 centimeters, and you place your hair just like this way. Can you see? Now take a small amount of hair color and apply it slowly. So you can see all the hairs on the aluminium foil have been coated. Now you need to basically fold your aluminium foil and take the remaining hair backwards. I hope you're getting what you have to do exactly. This is basically done in order to differentiate between the two hair colors, whether you are keeping it natural or you are using global hair color as well. So after applying your second portion with hair color, you flip the aluminium foil and seal the color, and there you go. We basically sealed it. If there are certain flaws, don't worry, it will just give another texture. This way you can apply at several places or you can leave it just one single bunch. So I'll be applying it at a few other places, then I'll show you how I will apply rest colors globally. Global hair color, that is, I'm basically using this L'Oreal color in the shade 5.5. Mahogany brown. Okay guys, I do look quite funny, but I have used 3 places, this side and 3 this side. Hopefully I don't look weird. And now the global coloring part. Since my hairs are graying a lot, I need to cover them up. That's why I'm doing this along with it. So this is basically mahogany brown from L'Oreal, and I have mixed both of them well. I always used to use L'Oreal only, but in color wasn't available in this so I had to buy something and try new. So for the rest of it, you don't have to be an expert, just apply, keep on applying wherever you find and you want to apply. Okay, one benefit I felt in that Thailand based hair color, that's Barina Professionals. I'll share all the details in the description box, don't worry. There was no ammonia gas irritation in my eyes, but in this it does irritate your eyes. So I felt it rather a good quality hair cream. Okay, you can use your hand as well. Apply some with your brush, then go with your hands to mix them. Your hands, your fingers are the best brushes in any aspect. Trust me, whether it's makeup or cooking, they help you to feel it and be precise. Okay, this is the area which I wanted to color. So I'll apply throughout. Okay, basically you all can see I've applied it all over, mostly with the help of my hands. These gloves are really very handy. It's very helpful. So now I'll be leaving it for 30 minutes and then I'll rinse off, dry my hair and show you guys the result. Hopefully it doesn't look awkward. I just hope. So I'll be just making a bun. Okay guys, this is what it turned out. So I have a beautiful tint of pink, though it might not be prominent in the camera, but it isn't very bold, which I was very afraid of. It has a very nice sheen to your hair. If you want prominent pink or any other color prominent, then first you need to bleach your hair. So I'm not in favor of bleaching your hair and giving it too much of chemical treatment. So basically I'm happy with the hair color. And about the product, it is really a good product. First of all, it isn't at all irritating on your skin or on any kind of irritation in your nose due to that ammonia smell, nothing of that sort. It is very easy to use also. It's totally like cream base, not a liquidy kind or spilling or dropping anywhere, no chance of that. So my thumbs up to it, and I hope I was able to clarify all your doubts. So if you like my video, do subscribe to my channel. Till then, bye bye.